How to merge Facebook profile page to profile page. So go ahead and open any browser. So go ahead and type business.facebook.com and you'll see it pops up pages/merge. So click on that. So go ahead and sign in and then press continue. So here you'll see it says you have to choose a source page that you want to merge into a destination page. So the destination page is the official page that will be merged into. So that's the page that will be preserved. So you can only do this if you're an admin for both of the pages. And it should have identical names. So mine is. So once you type in your source page and your destination page, go ahead and click on continue right here. And it will tell you which page will be preserved. So go ahead and click on submit. So once you do that, you'll be able to merge your Facebook profile page to profile page.